Good morning, kiddos. When looking at your Prodigy information, I noticed there's a skill that we're still struggling with for most of the class, and that is 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Looks a little bit something like this. So today, I'm going to show you how to use an area model in which to solve a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication equation. We did this towards the beginning of the year, but it has been a while. So let's come back together again to learn this process, and then I'm going to have a quiz for you to practice it, okay? So here's the thing. First thing I got to do, make my area model box as well as I can make it look. Then I look at how many place values do I have. I have 2. So since I have 2, make 2 boxes. The tens place is a 20. The ones place is a 3. Now I look at my next number. I have 35. Once again, 2 place values. So since I have 2 place values, I'm going to make 2 place values going this way. My tens place is a 30. My ones place is a 5. And now I can start multiplying inside of the boxes to find my partial products. So the very first thing I'm going to do is go into this box right here. And that is going to be 20 times 30. Now, as we talked about before, you can take those zeros away. And 2 times 3 is going to be 6. But then I had 2 zeros that I took away, so I need to add those back on again. Because I'm saying 20 times 30 is 600. The next thing I'm going to do is go to my next place value box. Here's where it gets a little trickier. I know my 3 is going to go inside. I have to go over to this end, and my 30 is what I'm going to take over to multiply. So once again, let's take that 0 away. 3 times 3 is 9. Got a 0, so I got to add it back on, because I'm saying 33 times is 90. Now, as I go down below, I have this next row. Right down below here, this is my place value box. My 5 is going to move over, and my 20 is going to come down. Let's take that 0 away. 5 times 2 is 10, but I have a 0, so add it on because I'm saying 20 5 times equals 100. And then finally, my last place value box is right over here. And that's where I'm going to take my 3 all the way down. I'm going to take my 5 all the way across. And 5 times 3 is 15. So as of right now, I have a couple partial products. I have 600. I have 90. I have 100. And I have 15. So, as you remember, I have to take all of those numbers and now add them up so I can find my total product. I don't have a lot of screen space left, so I'm going to try to do this as small as possible in the corner. Take my largest number is 600. That's gone. My next largest is 100. That's gone. 90. That's gone. And now 15. So if I add this up, I look at my ones place right down here. That's going to give me a 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. Bring my 1 up, which means I'm adding another 100. And 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 1 is 800. That 8 looks a little bit wonky, I apologize, but what it's saying is that when I multiply 23 times 35, I would get 805. Now notice, it took quite a process to be able to break it down into place values, but we do this so that way you can see every single partial product that comes in. Then you're just multiplying 4 different equations. Most of them have zeros. And then you're just adding them all up to find your final product. So today, I want you to practice this skill. Let's try to get better at this skill over the next couple of days. And then we can have a quick little assessment maybe on Friday to see exactly how well you understand it.